my mind will be blown, like the emoji on iPhone which like has its brain exploding. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I mean, it has been a hot minute. 3 years since I last posted a video. What happened? University happened. I mean, that was a crazy one. Those of you who are still subscribed, thank you so much for sticking around for 3 years. Thank you so much for not leaving my channel. Today I'll be reviewing magnetic eyelashes. Like, how mad does that sound? I've been seeing them all over Instagram. I wanted to give them a go. New year, new me. I want to get back into YouTube. I'm a very not great person when it comes to gluing eyelashes on. Here, glue there, glue here and there again, and I mean, I don't want to get that in my eye. So if you are like me and you have like no idea how to do eyelashes like me, stick around and I will be doing a pink makeup look. I haven't opened these eyelashes yet. They are currently behind me on my bed. They have just arrived today. So I will be reviewing those today for you guys, and I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. So let's get on with it. Starting off with a Morphe palette. It's the 9V Vintage Rose palette, and it looks something like this. I will be using this color as a base just to, like, you know, blend out my eye a bit. I have a huge mirror behind my camera and I keep looking there and here and I'm a bit confused where to look. So my beautiful base for my pink eyeshadow. I've never actually tried magnetic lashes before. I literally saw them on Instagram the other day and I was like, now that I have graduated uni and I have been thinking of what I really want to get back into, and YouTube was on the high priority list of what I wanted to get back into, as it is something I enjoy doing. They're literally sitting on my lap here. So, you know, next thing I will be doing is picking probably this palette right here, which is the 9B Color Burst palette. So it comes with these many colors right here. I think this is my go-to palette, honestly. I think these colors are super cute and there's a ton of them. Like, there's so much variation in color. I really do enjoy these colors. So the color I will be starting off with will be this hot pink right here. So what I will do is get some and tap tap tap. Before I start my makeup look, what I like to be doing after I apply my base is use this type of tape. I mean, you don't have to do this, but like, if you like this sharp cut from your eyeshadow, I think it's quite a good technique. What I do is line up the bottom line of my eye into the tip of my eyebrow. I look like a complete weirdo right now, but the first color that I will be going for is this pink right here. Just get a bit on your brush, tap away, get my little mirror out and start applying this color over my lips. As you can see, applying this very gently and softly so it blends. I really like enjoying doing pink looks. I think they look super cute, especially a cut crease look. So after I've applied the pink, what I think looks good and how much product I want on my eye, what I will start doing is applying a darker pink. I will be going for this little brush right here. It's the JH40 from Morphe, and I will be going with this color right here. So I tap away the product and I start applying this to my cut crease. And what I like to do is go deeper in this area right here, so it creates this darker fade in the corner of your eye. Is getting a thinner brush like this one. This is the JH39, and what I like to do is grab the bright pink that I used before and go back and blend this to my cut crease. Then what I like to do is get a bigger brush and blend this in. I grab a bit of the brown from this palette right here, which is the Vintage Rose. I always grab this brown here, and what I like to do is just get a bit and go into the corner right here. With this brush again, which is the JH33, grabbing a bit of brown, and I think that creates a very nice look. I will also go back to the dark pink I used, and I think that creates a very lovely shade here. I'll be getting some concealer. This is the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Light Ivory. Grabbing some onto my hand. I like to dab it onto my hand. Grabbing this brush over here by Morphe, which is the JH42 brush, and I will start dabbing onto the concealer. Grabbing my little mirror, and I will be applying this onto my cut crease. What I like to do is apply quite a bit of concealer, just because then the glittery eyeshadow sticks more to the eye, and it does create a more popping effect. Now with the same brush I will be going into it for a glitter eyeshadow, which will be this one right here from the Colour Burst palette. I just closed the palette. So I will be grabbing that colour right there, dabbing it with the brush that I used with my concealer, so it gets a better stick. What I also like to do is get the dark colour from the Colour Burst and blend this connection here with the glittery eyeshadow. What I like to also do is, on top of that glitter, go back to the Vintage Rose palette and grab the light rose gold glittery eyeshadow and apply this eyeshadow on top of the pinky one that we just used. And that is my pink look, and when I take this off you can see this little sharp line here, which I really do enjoy. I will now be doing my other eye, and then we can get into the review of the magnetic lashes. Alright, so now with my eye makeup look done, what I like to be doing is getting this brush right here and going back to the Colour Burst palette, grabbing this this dark colour right here. What I like to be doing when I finish my eye look is going to the corner of my eye here and continuing this dark colour here, only up to halfway. And now that it is halfway through, I will be applying this one right here and blending it to the glittery eyeshadow that is in the corner here. Now with my eye makeup look finished, I haven't really applied the glittery bit in the corner of my eye here. That's quite hilarious. So now both of my corners are glittery, and now let's get on with unpacking and reviewing these magnetic lashes. So I've ordered these from Amazon. So I have never used these. I've never ever opened them, as you can see right here. I have not used these before, so we'll go ahead and open this package. I will link down if they are good. So if you guys like this review, you can go ahead and get a pair for yourself. So they come in a cute box like this. Pretty cute. I love the design, like the eyes and everything. It's so nicely detailed. It is very, very cute and stylish and nice. And the packaging is amazing. It actually has a bit of plastic on it, so will I be able to open this with my nails? I'm actually really excited about this. I mean, if this works, I will be totally like, my mind will be blown, like the emoji on iPhone which like has its brain exploding. I love the packaging. I think it's amazing. Alright, let's get on and open these. So in the box, when we open the box, we have, wow, this is gorgeous. Right, so these are the lashes. They come with 5 pairs, an eyeliner, a magnetic eyeliner, this is crazy, and tweezers that you can use to apply the eyelashes. I think this is crazy, but if this works, I'll be so amazed. I'll be literally so shocked. We'll get this beautiful rose gold eyeliner out and these nice tweezers. I think these look amazing, and I think they're different thicknesses and lengths. Yes, these are so much more glam. Alright, so hopefully I'm in focus, because if I'm not, this is going to be like hilarious if I'm not. Alright, what I'll be doing is going in with the magnetic eyeliner. There's anyone when they do their eyeliner, they hold their breath because they're so like scared, like they're gonna mess the eyeliner up. The eyeliner draws a line for the magnetic eyelashes to connect with. This is actually like crazy. Alright, so that is one eyeliner done. That is second eyeliner done. So you see this pack here, it actually has a magnet on the packaging which the eyelashes stick to. Alright, this is crazy. Alright, let's go. Oh my god. Alright, I am amazed. It just sticked. It just sticked to my eye. This is actually crazy. I am a person who cannot do eyelashes. Oh my gosh. Like, I feel like it would look better if I put mascara on, but I am actually amazed. My head is actually like, let me just go and stick the next one onto my eye. I honestly didn't think this was gonna be so good. Like, if you ever struggle with eyelashes and sticking them on, this has absolutely like blown my mind. I can't explain how good these look and how well it looks, and honestly I am so happy, and I will put the link down in the description below so you guys can have a go at them, but these are absolutely amazing. I give them a 10 out of 10. My mind is blown how like an eyeliner and an eyelash can like magnetically stick to one another. I think this is a 10 out of 10. Well, I hope you enjoyed this final look. I will be posting at the end of this video some photos of the final eye look if you want to have a look at those. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so you never miss a video. And thank you once again for those who have stayed subscribed to my channel even though it's been 3 years. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!